How would you feel if we told you that a structure taller than the Empire State Building disappeared in less than 200 years? Now imagine that structure made entirely of ice. This isn't a fantasy, but a chilling reality that took place around the end of the last ice age. In the frosty expanse of Antarctica, the West Antarctic ice sheet shrunk dramatically and swiftly. The evidence, trapped within an ice core, reveals a rapid thinning of the ice sheet by 450 meters, more than the height of the Empire State Building, in just under 2 centuries. This discovery marked the first direct evidence of such rapid ice loss in Antarctica's history. It's a stark reminder that our planet's ice reserves are not as unchanging as they may seem. This rapid ice loss isn't just a prediction, it's a reality that has happened before. Ice cores aren't just cylinders of frozen water, they're time capsules of our planet's past. These icy archives are formed as snowfalls, gets buried and compresses into ice crystals over thousands of years. Each layer of ice traps bubbles of ancient air and contaminants, offering us clues about our changing climate and the extent of ice coverage. Our researchers drilled a 651-meter-long ice core from Skytrain Ice Rise in 2019, a mound of ice teetering on the edge of the ice sheet. This ice core held the evidence of the rapid ice loss that occurred around 8,000 years ago, at the end of the last ice age. Back in the lab, the ice core was analyzed to reconstruct the ice thickness. By measuring stable water isotopes, which indicate the temperature when the snow fell, they could equate warmer temperatures with lower-lying, thinner ice. With this frozen time capsule, we have a window into the past that can help us predict the future. What happens in Antarctica doesn't stay in Antarctica. The ripple effects of rapid ice loss could be monumental. Imagine a world where the sea levels are rising, inching closer to our homes, our cities. This isn't just a dystopian fantasy, it's a potential reality if the West Antarctic ice sheet were to experience significant thinning. This ice sheet, unlike its counterparts, rests on bedrock that lies below sea level, making it especially vulnerable. The volume of fresh water it contains could raise global sea levels by around 57 meters. It's like adding another layer of ocean to our planet. The uncertainty lies not in the if, but in the when and the how quickly. Current model predictions suggest that a large part of this ice sheet could vanish in the next few centuries. But these are just predictions. The actual timeline remains uncertain. We must heed the lessons from the past to prevent a future catastrophe.